Today I will show you how to clean your outerwear using the Wettex cloth. This is a Wettex cloth and you will most likely find this in every household in Sweden. It is a reusable cleaning cloth that can be used in so many different ways. To clean your outerwear, you simply wet the cloth in lukewarm water. It should be damp. Then you wipe off the dirt and let the item air dry. Super easy, quick, and definitely more environment friendly. Washing your outerwear in the washing machine will reduce the lifespan of the garment and will also reduce the waterproofness. After about 50 washes, the waterproofness starts to break down and we definitely do not want that. Visit PolarnaPureUSA.com to purchase your Wettex cloth.